I'll guide you through the exact requirements and the step-by-step process to unlock the $750 limit so you can decide if Current is the right financial safety net for your wallet. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the headline number, $750. Current has officially raised its ceiling, making it a powerhouse for users who need more than just a $50 spot. However, it is important to note that you won't always start at the max. Most new users will see an initial offer between $50 and $150. Current's AI monitors your account daily, and as you build a history of successful repayments and consistent deposits, that limit scales up. Unlike a traditional loan, this is considered earned wage access, meaning you're simply accessing money you've already worked for, which is why there is absolutely no credit check and no impact on your FICO score during the process. To see the Paycheck Advance option in your Current app, you need to meet the 500-200 rule. Current requires you to receive at least $500 in total monthly direct deposits to stay eligible for the feature, and at least one of those individual payroll deposits must be for at least $200. These must be eligible payroll deposits, which means they need to come from an employer, a payroll provider, or a government payer. Current AI has become much better at recognizing gig economy income from platforms like Uber, DoorDash, or Fiverr. But standard P2P transfers from friends via Venmo or Cash App will not count toward your eligibility. One of the best things about Current is the transparent fee structure. They still offer a completely fee-free option. If you can wait 1 to 3 business days for the funds to hit your account, you pay exactly $0.00 in fees and 0% interest. However, if you are in a right now emergency, you can choose instant access. The fee for instant delivery varies based on the size of your advance, usually starting around $4.99 for smaller amounts. This fee is clearly displayed in the app before you hit confirm. Before you request your first advance, double check that you don't live in a restricted state like Connecticut or Maryland, as local regulations still prevent these apps from operating in a few specific areas. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.